Hi, my name is Max, and I'm a student at College of Saint Scholastica, and here I'll review kind of like the design I made for my project in Figma. So here you can see different pages that I designed. Some of them are regarding my landing page, and some of them with actual software. This software is built for academic institutions. Like here you can see different pages that I made using Figma. It's pretty simple design, and here you can see my dashboard design with some kind of like a logic when user information is entered. It has one kind of model pop up. If it's not, then another one. Here, if also like your page renders differently, if you have information filled or not, with the also option to update it. Here I also implemented to do page. That's how approximate it's gonna look like. And here's my main functionality with dashboard, because it's a academic planning schedule for institutions, specifically for advisors, where that offers pretty much better functionality that at least my current school is using. So I decided to build an app that would have way better experience. So this is just a brief description of my project that I'm working on, and if you have any questions or any suggestions, please contact me on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.